Hello everyone. Very good morning. Today I wanted to discuss about IAM role creation for my EC2 instance. So why I am preparing this video, because in my previous video while I am deploying, see if you observe, I will show you somewhere. One second. See here, deploy the SpringBoot application using Elastic Beanstalk. So somebody asked this question. Yeah, okay, it is not. So somewhere I guess. So they were not able to. I'll show you, because whenever, for example, if I go to like what Elastic Beanstalk, if I go to like what Elastic Beanstalk, create the application, we are going to create the application like this only, demo one, give any name, and after that choose the platform as Java, and platform version is up to the mark, single instance, and I'll upload the code later, jar file. Click on the next. Okay, the moment you clicked on the next, here you have to select the EC2 instance profile. So this EC2 instance profile is not auto populated. So that is the question actually someone asked. Okay, for this what you have to do is to auto populate this EC2 instance profile. What you have to do is first you should go to IAM. Okay, first you have to like what, go to the IAM. Okay, there exact, once you go to that IAM, you have to like what, create the role. So once you create the role and once you give the EC2 whatever the service you would like to like what provide to that particular role, you provide it. So then it will be auto populated there itself. As I said, Elastic Beanstalk automatically creates S3 bucket and as well as what EC2 instance. So but we have to select, once that is getting auto populated from that particular drop down, once you select, so then it will be internally creating that EC2 instance. But since it is not auto populated, what we have to do is you have to create that particular role, IAM role. So I will show you how to create that role. So we will come to here. So just click on the create role, AWS service only. Okay, and here you see common use cases. Okay, and any service, for example, here if you type EC2, okay, just select EC2 itself, that's it. Okay, so select the EC2. Okay, and click on the next, and from here also service, enter policies, EC2 policy only I am just selecting, enter Amazon EC2 full access, just check in this. Okay, and then click on the next. Okay, role name, for example, EC2 instance profile, I am just giving like this. Okay, so remaining things as it is, you just keep it like that. So at last you just click on the okay, invalid role name, I think okay, role name can contain alpha or any of the following. Okay, sorry. Okay, so EC2 underscore instance underscore profile underscore invalid name. We will see whether if it is not working, I will just try to give the small name. Okay, okay, fine. At last, okay, what is it created or not? Okay, let me cross check once again. Click on the roles. What happened? So all these are the roles. Click on the go to the users roles. Yeah, it got created. See here, EC2 instance profile 1, it got created. Okay, now what we have to do is go to, for example, Elastic Beanstalk or any other DynamoDB, any service. Okay, let me click on the create application. Previously it was not auto populated, right? But after you created this IAM role, for after you gave the EC2 access to that particular role, that definitely it will be auto populated. And you can see here application name, for example, demo 1. Okay, platform is Java, and you just select anything, and let me click on the next. I am not going to create any Elastic Beanstalk application now. I just wanted to show you whether it is auto populated or not. So people are stuck there only. See here, existing. Okay, if you click on this now, see here EC2 instance profile 1, this is auto populated itself. Once you select, then you can happily, you won't get any challenge. I mean, you are able to, you are free to create this Elastic Beanstalk service itself. That itself internally will create this EC2 instance also. Okay, so that you won't get any issue itself. Okay, so in this way before you are deploying or creating any Elastic Beanstalk application, you go to the IAM. Okay, you go to the IAM itself, and then there you have to like what create the role and give the EC2 access to that particular role, so then it will be auto populated. Okay, so I hope you understand this session. If anyone stuck the while you are doing with respect to Elastic Beanstalk application, you please try to like what refer this video. Definitely you won't get any issue itself. Okay, so thanks a lot.